Welcome back to this video. If you use WhatsApp, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see essential WhatsApp settings you need to enable right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp right here. Then if you go to these three dots right here, then click on settings. It's going to take you right here. First thing first, go to account. Under the account, make sure you click on security notifications. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this. That's simple. Which simply means that if somebody or you are trying to log in into your WhatsApp account, WhatsApp will always send you a notification if you are trying to log into your WhatsApp account with another device. So you will have a security notification right here. And this is one of the great security you can give your WhatsApp account in order to secure the account properly. So let's go back. Next one we want to turn on right here is to two-factor verification. So go to two-step verification and make sure you turn it on. If you have not set it up on your WhatsApp, make sure you turn it on in order to protect your WhatsApp from being hacked. So let's go back. The next thing you want to do is to go to privacy section right here. So under the privacy section, what we need to do is to simply scroll down right here and we make sure we scroll down. Down below right here, we go to privacy checkup. Under the privacy checkup right here, what we can do here under our privacy, there are a lot of things you can do right here. Choose who can contact you. Click on that. Then right here, click on groups. So by default, you might have it to be in everyone. But in this regard, if you put it in everyone, it simply means that anybody can add you to group, whether your contact or somebody that is not in your contact list. They can add you randomly to any group on WhatsApp. So to stop this, what you need to do is simply select my contact. When you select my contact, it simply means that only your contact on your WhatsApp list will be able to add you to any group in WhatsApp. So let's go back. The next one we want to do right here is to go to silent or no callers. So what we want to do right here is to make sure we turn on this button. So by turning on this particular button right here, it simply means that if someone is not in your WhatsApp contact list and they are trying to call you, WhatsApp is going to silence their call. And if the call is getting too much, the call will be automatically declined by WhatsApp. Then it's as simple as that. Let's go back. Then we go back. Then right here, the next one here is personal control information. Click on your info right here, then go to profile photo right here. At this section here, you can decide who can see your profile photo. You can decide to make everyone see your profile photo, my contact only, except, or nobody. When you put it in nobody, it simply means that no one will see your profile photo on WhatsApp. It will be as if you do not have WhatsApp photo in your profile. But if you want your only contact to have the access to your WhatsApp profile WhatsApp profile picture, put it in on my contact. Is that simple? Let's go back. So the next one right here is last seen online. So let's simply check it out. So by default, who can see my last seen online? So right here, you can put it in everyone, my contact except, or nobody. If you want to hide your last seen online, simply put it in nobody. It simply means that whether your people in your contact list or somebody you don't have in your contact list, they will not know which time you appear online last. It's as simple as that. So you can, who can see me when I'm online, you can put it same as this result or everyone. So if you back online, if you put it in everyone, it simply means that every your contact list and the people that you don't have on your contact list on WhatsApp will know that you are online. But if you don't want any one of them to know that you are still online, put it in same as last seen. As simple as that. So let's go back. Then the very next one right here is read receipt right here. Click on read receipt. So what we want to do right here is to simply turn on this particular button. So when you turn on this particular button, it simply means that if someone sent message to you on WhatsApp and you read the message, you will read the message, but the person that sent the message will not know that you have read their message. It's that simple. The next one right here is add more privacy to your chat. So let's check it out. So under the more privacy to your chat, here you can set your message timer disappear. If you would like some of your chat to be disappear for a certain time, set the time. Back up your end-to-end encryption. This is a new feature that allow you to back up your chat. It's as simple as that. Let's go back. Then if you want to add more protection to your account right here, simply click on add more protection to your account. You can add app lock to your WhatsApp account. When you add app lock to your WhatsApp account, it simply means that if anybody is trying to access your WhatsApp on your phone, they will request their fingerprint or face ID or password before they can have access to your WhatsApp account. Last one right here is your two-step verification, which is very much important to secure your account from being hacked. Make sure you turn it off. It's as simple as that. So these are essential WhatsApp settings you need to enable right now if you use WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about WhatsApp trick like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.